welcome back to my channel. And in this video I will be making this super easy beef spaghetti jollof. And if today is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you. So the first step is to slice up your beef. Just do it like Nigerian say, so tiny, let it be so flat so it will be easier to cook, and it will be soft equally. So I'll go ahead to season. I have some thyme here, beef seasoning, bouillon cube. So I'm adding some onion. I'm sorry guys, the way this camera is behaving. I added some salt. I'm actually the one filming this. I'm doing it myself this time. So I'll go ahead to add some smoked paprika. Then give it a good stir, mix everything up. And then we put it on heat to cook. I'll get better, don't worry, next time it will be very clear. So this is about after 7 minutes. Guys, look at our cooked suya. How many of you enjoy Nigerian suya? So I'll go ahead to add some more water to so that the meat will be tender. I want it as soft as, so that if you chew on it, if you bite on it while eating, in fact you can even swallow it. So at the other side of my gas, going to be making the sauce. As you can see already now, who don't know how to make this? Pour oil, vegetable oil in your pan, allow it to heat up for 2 minutes. You add your onion, allow the onion to release the flavors. That's it. So I'm actually using only tomato paste. Guys, there is this unique texture I get when I use just tomato paste to make my spaghetti. And for this particular recipe, I want it to be saucy. Okay, that's my spag, and it's not up to 1 pack, it's half. Okay, more than half, sure, but I did not finish the whole pack. So already I was boiling water in this pot. Okay, the water has boiled now. I'm not adding the spaghetti. So I'm back to my pan. I just added blended pepper. Some curry powder. Now the main ingredient is entering, guys. This beef, oh god, this beef, it was everything. I tell you, it was everything. Guys, look at, after 5 minutes, our stew or our sauce has set. It has set. So I'm adding some more water. Yes, I want this spag, I want it to be going. I just added some bouillon cube, to raise the taste. And look at my spag now. This spag is like this because I didn't have to parboil and allow it to cool before making this, just like I used to do those days when I was a baby, when I was a kid, in fact. But this method is just the best. Prepare your sauce or your stew, get that one ready or halfway done before you start parboiling your spag. That way you get this texture of spag. Guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up and drop your comment. Love you.